Hello guys, so I recently purchased this beautiful Dior Girly Boston bag off of Poshmark, and luckily I got it for pretty cheap compared to how much most sites were selling it for. I got this for only $230 compared to $800 or $1,000, so I'm very happy with this, but there is some damage to it, and I'm going to clean up all of these little stain marks, these little dirty stuff on it, and this might take a while, but this is actually in pretty good condition. I just need to clean up a little bit, and hopefully I will make it look brand new. So I have these two acrylic paints that I'm going to be painting on the flowers and this part right here. I don't know if these are pretty good, but I swatched them on this old sticky note, and the white looks the best compared to the vanilla, so I'm going to be using that. sides and some of the flowers. This one you can clearly see the paint marks that I made, which I'm really sad about. Okay, right now I'm going to attempt to use a magic eraser to clean out the stains. I don't think it's going to work, but hopefully it will line up the bag a little, especially. So it's been 1 or 2 weeks since I started doing this, recording this video, and I actually have another one that I recently got a few weeks ago. I also painted this little side part, bottom part, but it's been very difficult to get the stains out with magic eraser, and I've been also using a stain remover. So it might be a couple more times before I can get all these little dark spots out. As for this one, I used stain remover and I went a little bit overboard and discolored this area right here. So I haven't been looking at this for a while just because of that. But overall, the other stains were able to get out, and the flowers, the paint, all look very good after the last few weeks. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you guys want more, I'll update you when I get all the stains out of this one.